सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिशे। My heartly obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Diksha Guru spiritual master Nitya Leela Pravishta Vishnupad Srimad Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, and Sam in the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru Om Vishnupad Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. All glory to Swamiji. I know that he has collected you all, and myself he had dragged. So all glory to Swamiji. But only glorify will not do. We will have to follow his instructions, not by mouth only. Oh, Prabhupada, glorious, glorious, not will do. You have to follow his deep instruction in your life. Then any fruit can come. And otherwise, where you were, you will be there. No advancement. That is why Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur giving some instructions, and we should try to follow. From beginning, I am telling all these things. If you have a little Shraddha even, or you have Nishtha even, Ruchi even, but no Sadhu Sangha, no higher class of association, Sadhu Sangha, then you will lose your that faith, your Nishtha, your all these things. Even at the time of Rati has come, but it is not matured. There is some doubt. Again, so many offenses and unwanted things will attack you, like Bharat Maharaj and others. But I know that you are not in the stage of Bharata Rishi or anyone. Even Nishtha is there or not, you can judge yourself by keeping your hands here. But yet we are discussing all these things, that what is our aim and how we can achieve that goal. So we are telling all these processes. If you are not in process, even you have so much love and affection, and it is not approved by Shastra, then all things are in vain. What meaning?
Shruti Smriti Puranadi Pancharatra Vidhin Vina. Shruti means Veda, and Smriti means Smriti Shastra like Manusmriti, Harit Smriti, etc. They wrote so many things in their book. And Puran and Pancharatra means Narad Pancharatra. They have mentioned in their books the goal and process. Without their approval, without the proper process, if you do something by your own mind, by your uncontrolled mind, and if you think that this is the best process which I have discovered by myself, and by that I can achieve the Krishna Prem, but if you not approved by any Shastra, then which you have kept your idea in your mind will go in vain, and it will make chaos in your mind. One day will come, then you will give up everything, and you will bound to go to hell without any hell. Hare Krishna.
As much as your bhakti will be increased. Humbleness. And I am very low. This idea will come. If bhakti is not increased, false ego will act there. And if gradually bhakti is developing, gradually your this humbleness, humility, told in sloks trinadapi sunich, all will gradually come. And you will realize that really we are not anything. We have no power. Really we have no bhakti. Then you can realize. And how insignificant you are, you will realize then. Srimati Radhika realizes this. And she tells, I have actually no smell of prey to Krishna. I have not served. I have not seen even Krishna. So only she can tell. And this is the symptom of Mahabhav, very high. So you should realize that you are nothing. Particle. It can be covered at any time by Maya. So he is telling Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur that if you have even received the nishtha, you should hear from higher class of devotees. There are two kinds of Bhagavata. One, book Bhagavata, transcendental book, which was received by Vyas in his trance. This Bhagavad, in which all kinds of sweet and very powerful sweet pastimes of Krishna has been given. But it is in lock and key. Who can open? That most high class of Bhakta Bhagavat. They have lock and key. Any ordinary Bhakta less than Rati, who has received Rati, they cannot unlock. They can lock. Who has received that Shuddha Sattva from any Parikar, eternal Parikar of Krishna. They can. Like Rup, Sanatan, all Sad Goswamis, Narottam Thakur and others, and up to Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Prabhupada, like this. They can open. So don't lose the fortunate to hear from superiors. Don't lose. If your whole business is going down, no harm. If you lose your job in government department, even that is not loss. What is loss? You have lost your sadhu sangha. This is. I know so many devotees here, especially from India. They don't come. Why they don't come? I know. They have come to make money. So their money is important. More important. But for you, you have left all these things and you have come. So you are most fortunate. So continue this thing. To lose any worldly thing is not any loss. But lose these things is very unfortunate. And by hearing this, steadiness of bhakti comes and gradually it develops. तत्तेऽनुकम्पां सुसुमीक्ष्यमाणो भुञ्जान एवात्मकृतं विपाक हृद्वाग्बभुभिर्विदधन् नमस्ते जीवेत जो मुक्तिपदे सदाय भाग. Oh, this is slok of Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam. Sukadeva Goswami is giving sweet Hari Katha to Parikshit, who is dying. Only 3 or 4 days he had, and he is going to die. And hearing. So he is telling, Tatte Nukampam Susumikshma. So I am telling, those who have taken fully surrender in the lotus feet of Krishna and Gurudev, anyone can disturb them. No problem can check them. So be like this and take shelter in the lotus feet of Krishna. You can do, but you are not doing. This is the fact. You are thinking that we are doer. Don't think that you are doer. Don't think that I am so intelligent, more than anyone, more than Swamiji even I am. So many thought like that. Kirtanananda and so many, and they did so many offenses. Don't do like this. Be humble and be offered to Krishna. Totally. Then this bhakti will come. Otherwise, how it will come? So, if any problem comes, whether it is happiness or any suffering, you should see that this is due to the mercy of Krishna. Perhaps this is the lost. You should abhinandan karo uska.
Welcome him.
Welcome this thing, the mercy of Krishna. Don't be ready with a bomb to
shoot a mosquito.
Shoot a mosquito. Don't do. Everything is all due to your activities past. Or here, who made that problem? Krishna. That I am protecting always my devotees. They were given in fire, like Prahlad Maharaj. But Krishna saved them. Poisoned by Duryodhan. But also saved. So if you are like that and doing bhakti always, Krishna will bring his umbrella on and save you, as he saved everywhere. So be very bold in bhakti. Don't be weak. Don't be weak. And practice bhakti yoga and be happy forever. And where it is received, it is sadhu sangha. And in sadhu, who is supreme? Gurudev, if bona fide. So we must do. For a moment we should not wait. Wait for this. Don't wait. Where sadhu sang, we must attend and must follow. Doing pranam to that Gurudev, devotee, who is arranging all these things, and the place where Hari Katha, and to Hari Katha, and thus go on. Then, bhakti will come. Even mukti, always praying in the lotus feet of bhakti. So mukti pade sadaya bhag. Gaur premanand. Take something in your heart from me and be happy. Follow these processes and try to overcome by the endless birth and death. This is not your first human form. It may be lost if you are following. So you should follow that process and be happy. Gaur Preman.